Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your intake process with form in ClickUp. And if you want to do this, we go right here to our ClickUp dashboard and then we select right here the space where we want to do this. So from here, we click here on the plus icon and we go right here to form. Then right here, we select other form. And now we need to select the workspace that we want to use. That is team space. And then we select right here the project. So let's do project 1 right here. And then we will get this notification because he is telling us upgrade to unlimited to get unlimited forms. But right now, after this, if you have the unlimited option right here, and you can buy this unlimited option by the link in my bio, so check that out. And then afterwards, you can do exactly the intake process with form in ClickUp. So this is a step that you need to do. This is the only truth about how it works. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.